Hello guys, today video is very technical about day trading. We try to see if stocks are always either going up or down. This is true, but in the day trading I will show you right now how a stock have many directions in the whole day. Okay, it's just because the way people have opinion. So sometimes going up, sometimes going down, going up, going down. I will tell you something about, for example, Dow Jones, the ETF, which is DIA. I will just show you how the stock the whole day on Friday going up, going down into many directions. Okay, and at the end you will see that it is in red. But when you see, sometimes it is red, sometimes it is green. But when you see the day as daily candlestick, you will see, for example, that it is red. But it's not true during the day. And this is how you make money. You make money when you know these small fluctuations in the day itself. So there are these fluctuations are like small trends. I will show you right now the chart and you will see that. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Now this is DIA, which is ETF of Dow Jones. Look here. So you see that the day of Friday, okay, the stock is in red. But in the daily fluctuations, it's not the same. So let's take, for example, the 5 minutes. This is what I like. So I will show you something that maybe you don't see very well, but as a day trader, you will see it very much. Okay. Now, this is the last candlestick, 5 minutes of Thursday. So we put a vertical line. This is not, so from this one here, it is what? It is Thursday. Now we begin Friday with 232. Okay, now from 232 the stock has been going down until 230. Okay, so this is the thing we focus on, $2. So this is $2 here down. Now from 230, okay, so it goes up to 232. It's $2 up. Okay, $2 up, and then from 232 it goes down to 230. So 230 it goes to 233 here, and then it goes from 233 to 230. So how many fluctuations we have in the day? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fluctuations. This is not always like this, but understand that in order to be a day trader, you should be aware of these fluctuations in the day if you want to make money. So buying because in the morning it was green, this is not a good strategy. So you should follow these fluctuations and then you can make money. Understand that each one of these is $2. $2 down, $2 up, $2 down, $3 up, and $2 down. Oh, $3 down. It means this is a 3 and 3. Okay, and the stock is $230. So what I want to say in this video, in order to be a day trader, you should adapt yourself to the fluctuation of the day. Okay, it's not you say to yourself, okay, today is green, so I will be because in the morning it was green, because see, this candlestick here, it was 231.35, the close of yesterday. So when it opens in green. Okay? And then it goes down 78 cents. Okay? And today it's not a very, very big day, but still $2 was down, up, down, and $3 and $3. Okay? So the main thing I'm telling you, if you are going to be a day trader, you should have this ability to adapt to the reverse. It means if you are selling short, and after half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours, and the stock stops going down, it changes direction, you should change the direction. Now I will let you, because a lot of people, they think when I say, for example, $2 down, they think that day traders can make $2 exactly. No, you are not supposed to make $2 down or up, or down or up, as we have seen. If you make $1, 75 cents, whatever you make is money. Okay? So I will just show you with this explanation here. Now, let's say, as we have seen, okay, the stock is going down like this. Now, it's going down, then it's going up. I just show you what's going on. Okay, and okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what we saw in the thing. Now, here 230, just 230. Now here we have $2 going up 232. I don't know why it is 232, but you know, there is like this 232 was like the resistance line of the day. It was like this. Okay, and then we have a support line. It's the same. Okay, nearly is the same, because the close is 230. So this is the close. Now, so $2 here, $2 here, $3 here, $3 here. Now, if you are a good day trader and you trade the whole day, let's say you take only $1 for each of these 5, you will have $500. This, if you are an average trader, it means you see that the stock is going down, and then let's say you see here it's going down. Whatever you buy, you short the stock, you short it, it stops, and then it begins to go up, so you exit. So if you get just $1, it means 50% of the day, 50%. And then you follow. When it's going up, you change. You buy back and you go long. Here you short. Here you go long. Here you short. Now, this is called adaptation. Adaptation, it means that you should move according to the majority of the traders where they are going. If the majority of the people are selling short, you should do the same, because the stock is going down. If they are going long, you go long. So do not have in mind one, it means one trend or one fluctuation in the day. This is false, because you don't care about if the day it is good or bad. What is most important for you guys is you focus on money, on how to make a buck from this trade. And if someone who is just average, a trader, he can have this $1 down, up, down, up, down, and he can have at least $500 with this stock itself. Okay? And if the stock today doesn't go that much, okay, it's not a big deal. But let's say the stock goes $5 or $7 or or $10 the other time. $10 like the other time when we have the big deal. It was a very excellent day where the stock has been going up for the whole day, and it was an easy trade. And those people who don't make in the easy trade, they can't make in the average trade. Okay? So how do you accomplish that? You should just practice. Have some techniques and practice. Even if you don't want to put money, just to practice. And when you begin to have this feeling of a day trader, you feel the price where it's going, because the price should go sometime in some one direction, and then it changes the direction. Okay, it should, except when there is a day when it is all up, like the $10 we have seen before, the 1,000 point that we have seen in the index, or when it is going down the whole day. So these 2 days are very easy, because when the stock is going the whole day up, it doesn't stop, and everybody knows, and you see that everybody is there to make some money, especially when it is very volatile, when like last time when it goes to $10. Okay, so try to understand that day trading, it is not only one direction. Most of the time it is not. It should be two. Most of the time it is 2 or 3. Okay, most of the time 2 or 3. This is the general thing. But sometimes, as we have seen, it is 5 times the fluctuations. So how do you acquire all these techniques? The only thing you do is you should practice until you get the feeling of a day trader, and then it becomes very easy for you. Other things, you should have some money, and you should be able to change the direction without an obligation. It means you don't get stopped because of your broker because you don't have money. And all this stuff is some problems that will stop you from doing day trading very good, because day trading is about finding an opportunity, a short opportunity to make money. It doesn't mean that you stay 2 hours or 3 hours. You can take just 20 minutes and you can make enough money. Okay, because understand that if you buy 100 shares, maybe someone buys 500 or 1,000 shares, depending on the stock and depending on their money. Okay, you can have a lot of money working like this, but you should be free. The money that you have, you should go into the market outside. It means buy and sell, or sell short then buy back. You should be free. But if you have just little money, you will see it will be very harder. Not because the trade is very hard. It's you who have no money. You have no, and this makes you obstacles. Okay, you will see obstacles in order to do day trading. So whatever you want to do, you should acquire all the requirements, either to be a day trader, to be a swing trader, or to be an investor. There are always requirements. You should know about this. I have made hundreds of videos explaining how to be a day trader, how to be a swing trader, how to be an investor. And I give you some few techniques, but other techniques are in my training. Okay, so thank you very much. And today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. I will make a video for you guys preparing for Monday. It will be very special. So thank you very much, and see you tomorrow if God wills.